In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. Open Google, search here, Resider, iPhone, emoji. Open this website, simply scroll down. In the end, you will see bonus method for getting iOS emoji on Android, easiest method. Simply scroll down, tap on download iOS emoji app, tap on download anyway, open the file, simply install it, tap on open. Basically, it is saying this app was built for an older version of Android. It might not work properly and doesn't include the latest security. So it's okay, in the future the update will come. So this error will be solved. Tap on OK. Tap on enable emoji keyboard. Simply scroll down. Enable emoji keyboard 10 from here by tapping on this toggle. Tap on OK. Tap on OK again. Now tap on switch to emoji keyboard. By default, Samsung keyboard is selected. I will select emoji keyboard 10 from here. Now allow all the permissions. Now let's check it out. Ignore this type of error. As you can see, all the iPhone emojis are showing in my Samsung device. So this is how you can get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.